So I have an extremely shallow dish that's about 4 inches in diameter, and I want to show you how I create a large arrangement that is foam free. So when you're dealing with a shallow vase, you have to utilize a pinfrog. We have these on our Amazon store, or you can find them in Michael's. I adhere it to the vase with floral clay or floral putty, but that's hard to find, so you can also reach for those clear glue strips. When it comes to pinfrogs, you have to adhere it well to the vessel. So the vessel needs to be extremely dry, and I typically get out some garden gloves for that. At that point, you will burrito up some chicken wire, try to create multiple layers for stability, and you will use waterproof floral tape to tape those mechanics down. Now again, this is extremely shallow, which is why I need to utilize a pinfrog. If it wasn't so shallow, I could depend on the sides of the vase to hold those stems up. But this is a really great way of creating stability where I could easily transport these flowers, and it's foam free. So that means that the flowers will last a lot longer because foam clogs up the stems. And this is more eco-friendly and reusable. And voila! I have 12 garden roses, 10 ranunculus, and an entire bunch of mini carnations in this small, shallow dish. It took me about 15 minutes to make, and beautiful. And then there's Smithers.